ค่ะ Today we're gonna make papaya salad. Let's get started. First of all, we're just gonna peel this off. This is a raw papaya. So we just have to peel this off. After you peel off the skin, we're just gonna like chop them out. So just start doing this, and then keep doing this until like you have enough raw papaya. Be the ingredients. So we will need dry shrimp, garlic, fresh pepper, palm sugar, fish sauce, fresh lime juice, cherry, tomato. So first of all, we're gonna put the garlic inside. In Thai, we call this one krok. And then we're just gonna mash it. And then added the dry shrimp. And then the fresh pepper, cherry tomato, and then add some nuts, and then you can just keep mash. And then added some of the palm sugar, fish sauce, fresh lime juice. Once everything mixed well together, the papaya in. Mix them really well together. That's it. You get your papaya salad. Let's try it. It's very good, very crunchy, sweet, sour. It's really good. If I can do it, you can do it also. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. สวัสดีค่ะ ขอบคุณค่ะ